Hi, this is Crypto Daily Info, bringing you the crypto information from the last 24 hours. Now, I usually do this by setting my timer for 5 minutes to give you the updates because I want you to be able to get up to date really quick and get on with your day. Now, unfortunately, there's so much to talk about with what's happening in the market. I was right a couple of days ago. We have tested and then broken support at 90,000, and today we have dropped like a stone down to the mid 80,000s, which is an absolute nightmare. So market manipulation, I'm reading, I think, in as maybe a silver lining in all this, as a bit of positivity. It seems like there's a lot of market manipulation. Now, if you have a look at Coin Bureau's video, they're saying that the charts don't look quite right, and we think, and some of the traders that I speak to think that the market is being manipulated probably because they want to get that price down, buy in, and then, we might go to the moon. Now, Raoul Pal is also saying that we're following the 2017 Bitcoin bull run, just like as we have been. And basically, better things are going to come. So just log off, touch grass, and come back. Now, I know this is extremely painful. Look at the Bitcoin, the crypto bubbles today. We are absolutely... like 20% down, 15% down, absolutely crazy. So where are we at, basically? Let's have a look at some of the things that I've pulled out on X that will explain a little bit about what's going on, and I've got some news for you as well. So just on one of the positive things, El Salvador has bought the dip today, so they continue to buy. I mean, they did stop buying a couple of days ago, which caused some interest from a lot of people, but they have bought quite a bit today, so they are still pretty much back in Bitcoin. We've got Michael Saylor as well. Here's a little meme that I saw. Yep, this is spot on. We're all waiting to get to 150, and we've completely dropped to 80,000. Now, we've also got BlackRock, which has deposited 18,000 ETH and 1,800 Bitcoin into Coinbase today. People think that's because they're about to sell it, which is not a good sign. But Michael Saylor thinks that you should load up. Why is that? And he is saying, well, somebody's replied, to the moon. And he's saying yes. So Michael Saylor, bullish as ever for Bitcoin, even though it's down. Now, Peter Schiff is having a blooming field day today. He's all over Twitter, saying, I told you so. But, it's a long game. We'll see where we're at. Fear and greed. Yep, that's the sentiment. Now, fear and greed, we're actually in extreme fear. In fact, I think we're just in fear. Yeah, we're not even in extreme fear at the moment, but on the fear and greed. Let's have a look at the Bitcoin dominance down to 60%. And let's just have a look overall where we at with the coins. So we are in the red across the board, of course. Sol down 7% in 24 hours. XRP down 10%. Bitcoin down 8%. It's an absolute nightmare. So let's continue with what we've got on X. Now, there is the Coin Watcher. They do a lot of really good stuff to keep you up to date. And they're basically saying, okay, so we're down to 88. That was a couple hours ago. I think now we're down to 86. And the Trump family is saying, buy the dip. Make of that what you will. 1.4 trillion liquidated in the crypto market in the last 24 hours. We are hurting. Crypto trader since 2006. Nothing I tweet is financial advice. My one and only. Okay, sorry about that one. That seems to be something that I've not actually followed. Okay, Bitcoin. Yep. Where are we? Michael Saylor says Bitcoin on sale. Let's have a look at what Michael Saylor... Okay, we've covered Michael Saylor, but he's basically saying, stick with it, hold to zero. Every dip is a chance to own a bigger slice of the monetary freedom. Load up, you should know why. El Salvador still stacking. Every dip is a chance to earn bigger, etc., etc. So he's still bullish. Let's go to the news and find out exactly what's going on. So a couple of things for the news, actually. MicroStrategy down 50% loss since November peak. Yep, don't we know it? It totally sucks. So a lot of people will have lost money in MicroStrategy. GameStop, though, they are They have been urged to convert their 5 billion cash into Bitcoin by Strive CEO Matt Cole. So once again, yeah, GameStop might become a player in Bitcoin, and they might start following the MicroStrategy strategy and start loading up on Bitcoin. So still, I think for the long-term future in 2025, there's my 5 minutes. I think Bitcoin still seems very, very promising. And we are going to get these market fluctuations. I do want to just bring up Raoul Pal and see what he's had to say with the current situation. So, where did I say? Okay, you guys need to learn patience. This was 2017, very similar macro structure. Just see when this was, 23 hours ago. So, 30% pullbacks in Bitcoin, most lasted 2 to 3 months before a new all-time high. Alt saw a 65% correction, and it was all noise. So he's still thinking that we are going to go to the moon eventually. The thing is with these people, if they keep hammering a certain narrative, at some point they're going to be right, aren't they? Like Peter Schiff is going to be right eventually when he says that Bitcoin's going to crash. Robert Kiyosaki is going to be right eventually when he keeps saying a crash is coming. But then eventually it's going to pump, and then the people that are saying that the pump's coming are going to be right as well. What we don't know is when. So that is the problem. So we're hurting at the moment. I personally think, and this is not financial advice, better days are ahead of us. The information still looks very, very, very bullish for Bitcoin. Okay, so let's just finish off with a little bit more information on what we've got for crypto, or in the news. Okay, to finish off then, so what's really causing this? We've had a couple of things. We've had Trump's tariffs, which seem like they're actually going to go ahead, which is causing uncertainty in the market. We've also had the hack, of course, on, Bybit, which apparently they're doing everything they can to try and trace back that money, and they are saying that they're still solvent, so it shouldn't be as big as something like the FTX crash. However, it is a lot of negativity and sentiment in the market, which is causing issues as well. And I honestly think there's a lot of market manipulation, which are trying to basically bring the price down and everything. And if I'm right about that, then that's probably long-term a good thing, because that means that if they're manipulating the price down to buy in, then it means that they know that good things are ahead. Okay, I'm going to leave it there. This is Crypto Daily Info. Sorry it's not better news. Sorry it's not a better day in crypto, but what can I say? Subscribe if you want to keep up to date quickly and succinct about everything that's going on in crypto on a daily basis. Thanks. Bye.